There are literally 8 officially recognized planets in our solar system, and we're going to explore every single one of them today. We'll be viewing them in exact order, starting right at the sun and moving all the way outward into the deep, dark reaches of space. Section 1. Closest to the sun. Our very first stop is Mercury. This little guy is the absolute smallest planet in the solar system, and yeah, it's the closest to the sun. Moving one step further out, we arrive at Venus. Now, physically speaking, Venus is actually very similar in size to Earth. Venus officially holds the title of the hottest planet in the entire solar system. Why? It's entirely because of its incredibly dense carbon dioxide atmosphere and these thick, heavy clouds that cover it. As we reach the third rock from the sun, Earth. After observing the brutal atmospheric extremes of Mercury and Venus, our home really stands completely alone in its capabilities. It is literally the only known planet with life, and the only one with abundant liquid water, right there on its surface. Continuing our journey, we find Mars, known famously across the globe as the Red Planet. Its distinct reddish color actually comes straight from iron oxide, or, rust, that covers its surface. But Mars isn't just a quiet, rusty rock. It's a world of extremes in its own right, remarkably home to the absolute largest volcano in the entire solar system. Section 2. The Gas Giants. All right, here we are at Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It is a true gas giant, but its defining feature is definitely this massive storm you've probably heard of, known as the Great Red Spot. Next up is Saturn. Like Jupiter, Saturn is an absolute behemoth of a gas giant. But while Jupiter is visually defined by its massive storm, Saturn's standout characteristic is undoubtedly its spectacular ring system. It's this expansive, stunningly beautiful structure that makes Saturn easily one of the most recognizable objects in space. Section 3. The Ice Giants. Uranus. It's an ice giant that totally breaks the conventional mold. While other planets spin somewhat upright, kind of like a top, Uranus rotates completely on its side. Finally, we arrive at the very edge of the recognized solar system. Neptune officially holds the distinction of being the farthest planet from the sun. As an ice giant sitting way out in the deep freeze, it experiences some incredible extremes, specifically featuring the absolute fastest winds in the entire solar system. Section 4. The status of Pluto. Since 2006, it has been classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto is simply not one of the 8 recognized planets anymore. It leaves us with one pretty thrilling, provocative question to ponder. If this much incredible diversity of harsh, beautiful worlds exists just within our own local neighborhood, what truly unimaginable, bizarre planets might be orbiting the billions of other stars just waiting out there in the dark?